A director, screenplay writer, a theater actor, communication designer, copywriter, cartoonist, lyricist, a truly multidisciplinary creative icon, Hitesh. His debut feature film as director, Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, was released on February 21st this year. So nice to have you. Congratulations on the success of your film, Hitesh.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me. When I say designing a story, I first put all the tent poles in place. Like, what do I want to say? If I can say it in one line, then once that one line, that is my complete story in a one line. Then once that one line is complete, I pick out 4 to 5 important scenes all through the story. How will the film begin? What will be the point? Like, if I talk about Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, since it's the recent film, what will be the point? How will the father get to know about these two boys that they are in love? That scene is important. After that, the midpoint. Where will be the midpoint? Then what will be that scene which will take us into the climax? So pre-climax and then the climax. So there are roughly 5 to 6 important tentpole scenes or milestones in the story which I need to hit. So this is my rough structure. Once this rough structure is complete, my characters start taking shape. At that point of time, I think about the characters, because the characters will carry the voice of the writer or the director or the theme of the film. So those characters need to be fleshed out in a certain manner. So I let these characters go into the structure of the film, and I build scene by scene by scene, and I reach these milestones from A to B, B to C, and I keep checking. I keep a check on whether I have overwritten something, whether I have underwritten something. Is the message coming across clearly? Is it entertaining enough? Am I trying to? So there's a constant back and forth which happens between me and the story. And if at any point of time I feel like I need a sounding board, so I ask some friend of mine to hear that story out. So this is how I go about I'm talking about a very broad thing here, how I go about designing the story. I literally sit and design the story, and of course film writing is also a bit of both. It is a little structural process, which is hard rules that you have to follow. That okay, if your film is about 90-minute long or 100-minute long, you cannot go beyond a certain point introducing your characters. So it becomes there are some kind of rules or unset rules which you tend to follow. At the same time, within this hard structure, there is a soft emotion. There is a intangible kind of a storytelling, that how one scene will flow into another, and when will a certain event in the story will take place. So when I go about designing a story, I keep in mind the experience of the audience, or two things I keep in mind. One is the experience of the audience, and the second thing is my own voice, what I want to say. I can think about a film alone, but I can't make it alone.
Absolutely.
So in that sense, design education really helped, because you learn to talk about your ideas to different people. Either they convince you or you convince them. And see, creative people have big egos, all of them. All of us have great egos. So it's literally 24/7 a battle of 300 creative people. So who think that the camera should be here, no, it should be there, no, we should cut the film like this, or we should edit it like that. So there's a constant exchange that's happening, exchange of ideas. One really needs to learn that is, I would say, the spine of filmmaking, and to be able to converse with another creative ego, and either get convinced or convinced for the larger good of the project.